Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to give a little different background today. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm sitting on my little stool. I'm not on the toilet. I'm not on the toilet. Because why would my toilet be in front of my shower, you know? So that's just my proof I'm not on the toilet, right? Okay. So today just want to be a short and sweet video. I got some eyeliner, some mascara, some powder on my face, and I wanted to test out this Almay Make Them Jelly Highlight. So I got this a couple weeks ago and I wanted to do a video on it. I'm doing ASMR. Okay, sorry. Couldn't help myself. I wanted to do a video on it. So number one, the packaging is super cute. It's got this like raised up little jewel on the top. It's super shimmery. And you're not gonna be able to see it, but the sides is like a white iridescent. Ooh, so pretty. I don't think there's instructions. I mean, it's highlighter, right? So all I'm gonna do is put this stuff on my face. And we're gonna see how pretty I look. And then the video will be over. So it's like a super jelly. Like if you see. Funny story, when I first got this, it actually like leaked out and got on my floor in my living room. And this stuff like was so pretty. So sticking my finger in it, it's like gross. You hear that? So that's what my finger looks like right now. And I'm just gonna like do it like a highlight almost. Ew. I'm just gonna put this everywhere. Why not? I'm gonna be super Illuminati today. Okay. It's like stuck in my fingernail. So it's definitely an illuminator. Sounds ridiculous saying that. Let me try to get you guys a different view of this. Let me take the camera off. So let's do it this way. So this is it on my face. Mind you, I put on a ton. I put some right here. And on my cheek. It's definitely got like an iridescent, like I don't know if you guys can tell, like if I go this way, but when I go this way, you can see that. Gone there, gone there. You can definitely see the difference from this side to this side. It kind of changed the complexion and took off my powder. For like an all over, let me see. For like an all over face thing, like illuminator, I wouldn't use it. If you want to do like spots, like if you just have this tiny little spot, which you know I'm assuming is what it's actually for, then by all means, yes, I would get it. It's cheap. I'll put the price and all that in the descriptions. I'll put a link to Walmart, Target, whatever, whoever I find has it. I'll put a link in there so you can see it. But I mean, it stays on. That's a for sure. So it's not a bad illuminator. Like look, I didn't even see it right here, but when I turn just like this, you can see it. So it's kind of cool. But I'll probably wipe it off and reapply my powder Maybe I'll put a little bit more on, but this is my first time using this. I've never used this before, so I just wanted to share with you guys, and I will see you next time.